Okay, so we will now proceed to our calculation for our topic today, machine shop and machine theory. Okay, so we have 14 problems. I hope you will understand all the things that I will teach you and the discussion we have tackled a while ago. So we can apply all the formula and then the idea that we have learned a while ago. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, now we have problem number 1. Ito yung kinikwento ko kanina. Okay, the weight of the cast iron steel. Kahit sabihin niyang cast iron steel yan, o kaya aeronautic steel or annealed steel, mild steel, you will have to use the general density value of steel. Anyone who can give me, sino yon or ilan yon? What is the density of your steel? Anyone from the group? Ano nga yun? On mic tayo kasi hindi ako nakatingin sa inyong ano eh. Sige nga, ano yung density ng steel?
7,850.
0.7850. Yes, yes, pwede yun. Pwede natin gamitin 7,850 kilogram per cm ba? cm cube or meter cube?
Cubic meter.
Meter cube po.
Ano?
Meter cube.
Meter cube. Thank you. Tingnan natin kung tatama siya. Pero, conventional way, kasi, tandaan nyo nakapunta na ba kayo ng nakapag-design na kayo ng machine, di ba? Nag-machine design na kayo. Tama ba ako? Nagpunta kayo ng Ongpin, ng Binondo. Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Anong common na tinatanong sa inyo ng mga hardware doon pag umu-order kayo ng material? Is that in inches? Or is that in meters? Ang madalas nila sinasabi doon. Inches, di ba? Tama. Sabihin sa'yo ng Chinese, sabihin sa'yo ni Chekwa, ikaw, order? Ilang PA, ilang pulgada? Hindi meter, ha? Hindi meter, kailangan pulgada. Sabi niya, pulgada or in feet, PA, inches, yan. Yun yung common na measurements nila. Lalo na yung mga doon, nakasanayan na ng mga bodigero nila or yung mga katiwala nila. So, ito na yung sinasabi ko na dapat ang gamitin mo is in imperial units. Okay? Sabi nga nila, sa US, the US will never tend to use metric units. Ang gusto nila, laging English. So, we will abide with that. And ang gagamitin natin is 284 or 283. Okay? Pound per inch cube. Kasi, mas maganda ito. Kasi ang binibigay sa yung sizes of your material or the elements of your material are always in English units. Now, we will determine the weight of the material of the cast iron steel. So, 1/2 feet, hindi, 1/2 thick. Inch to eh. Tama, di ba? Inch. Ang isang apostrophe, ano ba yan? Feet or inch? Sige nga, test natin yung memory nyo. Is that feet? Feet.
Feet, sir.
Okay.
Feet
Pag dalawa,
Inch po, sir.
Pag dalawa po inches.
Okay, inch. Okay. So, i-drawing natin siya. Okay. Ito yung cast iron steel mo. Medyo pumapantay na drawing ko. Okay. Yan. Yan. Kapal, no? Parang slab. So, ano ang ating dito nga sa draw. Ano ang ating size dito? That is 1/2 inch. Ang haba niya is 6 feet. And then, 2 feet. Ngayon, ano daw yung weight ng material mo? Now, for the weight of your material, or determine the weight. Weight is equal to mass kapag English. Okay? Sa ano lang sa value, pero sa magnitude magkaiba. Weight. So, all we have to do is to remember that density is equal to mass over volume. Or weight over volume kapag English nga. And then, hinahanap natin si weight, so density times volume. So weight will be equal to density of the steel times the weight of the steel. Now, tignan nyo hindi na ako magko-convert ng dalawa. Hindi na ako magko-convert ng isa kasi inch cube na to. I-convert ko na lang yung dalawa. Ito. Tignan nyo 0.284 pound per inch cube multiplied by, tignan nyo itong taas, pagsamahin nyo ng 2 feet. So, 2 times 6 feet squared. Ngayon, pare, meron tayong combination dito ng conversion. So, ano ba yon? Kapag nakakita ka ng feet squared, in order for you to translate it into inch squared, ganito na lang, 1 feet squared. Di 144 inch squared. Okay. And then, ano matitira natin? Yung 1/2 inch. Cancel all the units na same. Okay? Ang lalabas is pound. Therefore, we calculate 0.284 times 12, kasi 2 times 6 is 12, times 144 times 0.5, kasi 1/2. So that is, malaki ba? 245.376 pounds. 245 0.376. Kaya remember kung paano natin siya sinosolve. Okay, problem number 2. If the weight of 6 inch diameter by 4 inch, 48 inch long, SAE 1030 shafting is SAE 1030 still, ano ba yan? Tignan nyo nga. Tignan nyo nga. Ano ba ang weight ni SAE shafting? So this is steel. Okay? And this one is chromium. Meron kang weight, mahanap natin si of same size. So, binigyan ka ng dalawang material. Hindi mo alam yung density ng isa, hindi mo alam yung density ng isa. What will be the weight? Chromium. Steel din ba ang chromium? Hindi Of the same size. So, equal yung kanilang volumes. V1 is equal to V2. Ano ba yung volume? That is weight 1 over density 1 equal to weight 2 over density 2. Eh, hindi natin alam yung density ni 2. Okay? Dapat to given ang density. Hanapin natin yung density ni chromium. Okay? Let us ask Google. Yon, 7,150. May kulang yung given ko dyan. So, chromium density is 7,150 kilogram per meter cube. So, binigay niya yung kanyang shafting. We have to first i-solve natin yung density ni SAE 1030 steel. So, given ka ng density is equal to weight or mass over volume. Given yung volume mo, given yung mass. Okay. So, mass is 174.5 kg. Tapos ang volume mo, since that is cylindrical, that is pi over 4. D squared is 6 inches. 6 inches, tapos squared natin, times L, that is 48 inch. Okay, convert na lang natin yung 174.5, that is density 1. O ito na lang, gawin nating meter cube. Okay, pwede natin gawing meter cube yan. So, 174 kg per 0.5 kg over pi over 4 times 36 times 48 inch cube. Ngayon, may conversion tayo. 2.54 cm per inch. Tapos, para maging meter, that is 1 meter, cube natin to, per 100 cm. Cube pa rin natin. So, let us calculate the density ni 1. Okay, so 174.5 over pi over 4. 6 times 6 is 36 times 48. Times 2.54 cm per inch cube. cube. Okay. So you have 784. Malapit na sa 7,850. 7,846.2233 kilogram per meter cube. Kaya hanapin natin yung weight naman. Okay, so material, weight 1, weight 2. Ang hinahanap natin is weight 2. So we will formulate weight 2 will be equal to weight 1, density 2 over density 1. Okay. So cancel naman, 7,150. Weight 1 is 174.5 kg. Non-unit na yung dalawa. That is, density nito is 7,150. Wala nang unit kasi pareho lang naman. 7,846.2233. So, our weight will be, store na natin yung value nito para dire-diretso. 174.5 times 7,150 over, recall A. And then the answer will be 159. 159.016 kg. Okay, malinaw ba yun, class? Malinaw ba? Kung paano siya ginagawa? Sinabi kasi dito, same size. O di same size siya, ginamit ko. Kapag same size, ang volume is constant. Okay? Ang magbabago lang yung weight, yung density at density. Kasi magkaiba silang material na binigay. Okay ba yun? Okay? So, maliwanag sa atin. I hope you can answer problems like that in the future. Okay, ito naman. Another one. Alloy chromium. Alam naman na natin kanina, di ba, yung sa chromium? That is density ni chromium. So, CR is 7,150. Yung density ni 1030 is, gawin na lang natin 7,850. Malapit lang naman eh. Pag di mo alam. Ganun pag board exam pag di mo alam, ilagay mo na lang yung constant. Tapos, tignan mo, yung pinakamalapit na sagot niya sa choices. Don't ever mark yung question na E or wala kang answer. Kasi karaniwan yan, lahat yun merong answer. Okay? If the weight of the solid steel, shafting is 6, if the weight is 384 pounds, then what will be the weight of the high alloy? Ganun ulit, of the same size. Ganun ulit ang gagawin nating process. Okay? Inalam natin si density, pero alam naman natin density kahit di mo na alamin, ha? So, weight 2 will be equal to yung weight ni 1, density ni 2, over density ni 1. Okay? Remember lagi ito, density is weight over volume. Okay? Hindi natin alam. Okay? So, weight 2, weight ni 1, that is 384 lbs, multiplied by yung kanyang density ni 2, that is chromium, 7150. Non-unit na yan kasi makakancel na sila nasa baba. Okay, that will be 384 times 7150 over 780. 349. 349. Mas magaan si chromium. 349.756 lbs. Okay? Madali lang ba kapag weight? Class, madali lang ba siya? Nakaka-enjoy ang machine shop kasi kailangan mo lang ng cancellation of units. Okay? So, we have number 3. That is one of the simplest problems pagdating sa machine design. Okay, weight pa rin. Determine the estimated weight of a 3/4 inch, 6 feet by 20 steel plate. Okay, do-drawing ulit ako. Okay? Ba't na-enjoy ko ang machine shop? Kasi nagdo-drawing ako eh. Dapat kayo rin nagdo-drawing. Machine elements, hindi na kayo magdo-drawing ha, pag nag-machine elements tayo. Solving yun. So, ito, 3/4 inch. Tapos ito, 6 inch. 6 feet. Tapos ito, 20 feet. What will be the weight? Okay. Yung weight again is density, material, tapos volume ng material. Okay, that is the density. That is steel ba ang ginamit dyan? Steel, tama. Density of steel, you note. Density of the steel is 0.284 pound per inch cube. Okay, don't you forget that. So, weight of the material will be equal to 0.284 pounds per inch cube multiplied by 3/4 inch. Yung dalawa, yung 6 by 20 naka-feet squared. E di multiply mo agad sir ng 144 inch squared per feet squared. Cancel the same units. You'll arrive with pounds. The weight of your material will be 0.284 times 0.75 times 6 times 20 times 144. The answer will be 38,680.64. Tama ba yung sagot ko? Pakicheck na lang ha. Tama ba? Okay ba class? Malinaw na yung sa weight?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Pero tama yung sagot ko ha.
Tama naman, sir.
Nagko-compute dapat kayo.
Yes, sir.
Niyo.
Tama.
Okay. Ito mahirap. Mahirap ba to? Ha? Tingin nyo mahirap? Tingin nyo mahirap siya? Sa akin hindi. Kasi tignan nyo ha, basahin nyo muna yung problem, tignan nyo magkakamukha na units. Total gas consumption in cubic feet. Tignan nyo total gas consumption. Wala tayong formula na binigay, pero pwede tayong mag-formulate. Okay? In an oxyacetylene manual welding method, to weld a, parang lumit yung aking lumit siya. In an oxyacetylene manual welding method, to weld a 3.5 feet long seam in a 3.375 inch thick steel plate at consumption rate of for oxygen and for acetylene. Compute the total combined gas consumption. Hirap naman. Per feet. Anong hinahanap dito, pare? Volume. Okay? Volume. Kaya lang, ano ba yung may volume dito? Di ba itong dalawa? Yan, Pare, gagamitin nyo pa ba ito? Sige nga. Let me ask you a question. Ano lang ang gagamitin mo dyan na length? Sige nga. Anyone from the group?
Yung 3.5 feet, sir.
3.5 feet. Bakit? Sige nga, nag-welding ba kayo? Di ba ang kino-consider na lang naman natin sa weld is always the length of the weld, not the thickness of the plate pagdating sa consumption? Tama ba ako? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So, paanong gagawin mo dito? Siyempre, yung volume consumption, i-multiply mo yung volume consumption per length nung 1, tapos i-multiply mo siya, i-add mo siya dun sa volume consumption ni 2 per length, and then i-multiply mo ng length total ng cut. And then the length total ng cut. Gets nyo ba? So, the total consumption will be, makakancel mo yung unit ng feet, yung feet. Okay. Hindi mo to pwedeng ganito, Hindi mo to pwedeng ganito. Pwede naman pala. So, volume consumption ni 1 over L plus volume consumption ni 2 over L, i-multiply mo agad nung length na given. Length total. Okay? For cancellation of units. Okay, hindi ako nag-isip ng formula. Ang inisip ko lang, ano yung maka-cancel nating unit. Okay. So, yung volume consumption ni 1 for ano yun? Oxygen tapos acetylene. Yung kay O, acetylene to. That is 9 cubic feet per feet. Feet length to, length. Okay ha? Plus, ano yung isa? 7 cubic feet. 7 cubic feet per feet length. I-multiply natin dito. Okay? Ano yung length na yun? 3.5 feet. Length naman yan. Okay? So, cancel natin yung feet length, tapos feet length. Ang lalabas na lang is feet cube. Okay? Dali lang siya. So, 9 plus 7 is 16 times 3.5. That will be 56 cubic feet. Ang total consumption of the gas. 56 feet. Cubic feet. Total consumption. Okay ba yon? Ngayon lang ba kayo natuto ng ganito sa machine shop? Ano ba ginagawa niyo dati sa machine shop? Nagtrabaho lang kayo sa machine shop? Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Yung klase ko sa
Yes,
machine
sir.
shop, last sem, tinuruan ko sila nito. Kung paano yan. Okay? So, I hope matutunan nyo rin siya kasi kailangan siya pagdating ng board exam. Okay? And number 6, compute the drill penetration. Mahilig sa drill penetration. In inches per minute when a drill turns at 1,200 RPM and the feed is Meron ang given na feed, tapos meron ang rotation. Nako pare, ito, mahirap dyan, inch per minute. Inch per minute. So, ang gagawin mo is the drill penetration. So, the penetration rate is equal to, ano ba yung makakancel mo? Tignan mo yung unit Si RPM, so revolutions per minute. Tapos yung isa, ilista mo yan Yung isa, yung unit 1, unit 2. The unit 2 is inch per rev. Oy, may nakuha ako, di ba? May kamukha. Ayan So, ang gagawin ko, i-multiply ko na lang. Sino? I-multiply ko si RPM or si N times the feed. Di ba? Ang kailangan mo lang is unit cancellation. So, this will be 1,200 revolutions per minute multiplied by the feed rate, which is inches. Bale, 0.005 inch per rev. Cancel the same units. Ang lalabas is the required unit. So, 1,200 times 0.005. 6 inch per minute ang kanyang penetration rate. 6 inch per minute. Ayos Ayos ba? Hindi nyo kailangan mag-memorize ng formula. All you have to do is to look for the same units and then cancel them. Okay ba? Maliwanag ba sa atin, mga kaibigan?
Yes, sir.
Baka wala kayong matututunan Sayang lang. Okay, ito naman. How long in minutes? Ibig sabihin time ang hinahanap. How long in minutes will it take up to tap? Ano ba yung tap? Ano yung tap? Kasi nga, yung lalagyan mo ng threading yung loob, di ba? That is tapping. To tap 3.5 inch deep hole with a 1.5 inch diameter tap having 6 threads per inch. Pakimute yung microphone, please. 75 revolutions per minute cutting speed for medium carbon steel, recommended at 75 feet per minute. Top 3-inch deep hole. Ano bang hinahanap dito? Time. Ano lang ang may time dyan? Revolutions per minute. Tapos meron ang feet per minute. Ay, ang hirap! Hindi, sir. Di ba meron tayong formula length over the rate? Yung cutting rate. Tignan nyo, sir, medyo mapapaisip ka dito. Kasi, binigyan ka cutting speed for medium. So, ibig sabihin you are given a linear speed. Ito yun. That is 75 feet per minute. Sir, saan kukunin yung niyan? Yung pang-cancel sa revolutions per minute. Pare, worry no more. Bakit? Kasi tignan mo meron kang diameter dyan. So, V is equal to pi d n. Hanap mo si n. Okay? Titignan natin kung sasakto ba yung revolutions per minute niya. Excuse me. So, 6 threads per inch. Meron kang length. Ang hinahanap is time. So, length is 3.5 inch. 3.5 inch. Okay? Yung revolutions per minute. Ano mga gamitin mo? Ito or ito? Ito or ito? Mas magandang gamitin ko si revolutions. Bakit, sir? Kasi, yung revolutions na yan, makakancel yan. Okay? Paano mo makakancel? E di, 1 revolution is 2 pi. Tama ba? Class, tama ba? 2 pi rad, di ba? Kailangan maging rad yan para maging minute na lang. So, 3.5, kahit di mo na gamitin to, okay? Nagbigay lang siya ng recommended. Pero, yung turn mo daw is, panglito ito eh. This one, pag binigay ito, tapos hindi nagbigay ng n, isusolve mo si n. Pero nagbigay siya ng n na dito, or the cutting speed. Okay? Ang binigay niya dito is the linear speed of the cut. Isusolve mo si n kapag hindi given. Pero as sinabi dito, recommended. Ibig sabihin niya, pag recommended, kahit hindi mo siya gamitin. Okay? Recommended lang naman kasi nagbigay na dito ng actual feed rate. Ngayon, may 6 threads per inch. Saan mo gagamitin yung 6 threads per inch? Okay? Wala naman sinabi dito na ilang threads ang kailangan mo. So, as is, hindi mo gagamitin to. Okay? Ang gagamitin mo lang dyan is the cutting speed. So, the cutting speed is 75 revolutions per minute. I-multiply mo ng, kasi hindi to pwedeng makancel eh. Ano ba bang cancel dyan? Siyempre, yung may radian. So, 2 pi rad over 360 degrees. 2 pi rad is 1 rev. Okay. So, cancel. Mabilis yung revolutions niya. Inch deep hole. So, napaka-ikli lang ng time. Yakit mo yung minute. So, dapat to 3.5 ano eh. 3 and 1 half ano to? 3 and 1 half gawin nating feet. Hindi to ano, feet to feet. Kasi naka-feet per minute eh. Feet na lang to para malaki-laki siya. So, inch, ayun. Ay, hindi, tama. Kasi ang recommended mo is in minute, kaya lang cancel eh. Inches. Time ang hinahanap, wala ka namang inch dito. Minute, magiging minute squared. Inches. Threads per inch. Mahanap mo is, how long in minutes will it take? If, multiply ko to ng revolutions, feet per minute. Dapat to 75 feet per minute yung kanyang linear speed. Tapos meron ang 6 threads per inch. Yun, multiply ko ng 6 threads per inch. Yun yung cutting niya. Para ma-cancel natin. Okay? Dapat to seconds na lang eh. Okay, that is 3.5 times 6 threads per inch. 9 unit yung thread And then 75 times 2 pi. Okay. 0. Realistic naman, 0.0446 minutes. Times ko na lang ng 60 seconds. Ilan seconds? 2.67 seconds. Realistic naman. Yan, okay? Kapag hindi binigay si N, okay? Pag hindi binigay si N, gamit yung linear speed, kukunin nyo. Recommended lang naman sinabi dyan. Naintindihan ba natin? Class, kailangan lang natin dito is cancellation. Cancellation of units. Okay? Number 8. Let's go to number 8. How long in minutes to drill a hole of 5 inches thick? The conical height of the drill is 1/2 inch feet. Na-visualize nyo ba? 1 inch feed is 0.01 inch per rev and the speed of the drill is 100 RPM. Nakakuha nyo ba to? Nakuha nyo ba? Ganito yan. I-drawing ko Kailangan nagdo-drawing din kayo dyan. 5 inch daw to. Diameter. Okay? So that is 5 inch. Tapos, i-drill mo daw siya ng kahit pa ganyan. Okay? Pag ganyan yung drill mo. Ito yung drill. Tapos, ang feed niya is 0.001 inch per revolution. Okay? The conical height of the drill is, yung conical height dito, is 1/2 inch feed, inch revolution. Kahit hindi mo na i-consider yung conical height. Bakit, sir? Ano ba yung conical height na sinasabi? Ito yung drill mo, di ba? Pag ganyan. Di ba ang dulo ng drill pag ganon? Parang patusok. Tama ba? This is the conical height. Yan yun. So, ang kakainin mo lang dyan, diretso lang naman. Pag ganun, diretso dito. Okay? Kahit saan sa circle mo yan, kahit slanted pa yung height ng pag-drill mo, still, the diameter is equal. Okay? Circle nga eh. So, that time will be equal to yung ating length of the cut divided by the rate of the feed. Na ano ba yung length of cut natin? That is the entire diameter. That is 5 inch over yung rate of the cut. Wala binigay dito. Meron ka lang feed rate. So, the feed rate times the N. Feed times N. So, time will be equal to 5 inch over the feed. What is the feed? 0.001 inch per revolutions multiplied by 100 revolutions per minute. We cancel the same units, itong inches, yung rev. Ang natira is minute, aakit mo sa taas. Okay? So, we calculate 500, 5 inch divided by 0.001 times 100. So, that is 50 minutes. Parang ang tagal. Mabagal kasi yung drill. 100 rev lang. Okay? That is 50 minutes. Tama to. Okay ba? Okay ba? Naintindihan? Ha? Baka may tanong kayo. Sige nga. Ano yun? Baka may hindi kayo naintindihan. Kung wala, let us proceed to number 9. How long it will take to mill a 3/4 inch by 2 inch long keyway in a diameter top shafting with 24 tooth cutter turning at 100 RPM. Tapos meron tayong 1 inch feed per tooth. Nako! Sir, nakakalito. Hindi. Tignan nyo ha. Kapag may shafting tayo, tandaan nyo, sa shafting natin, kumari yung shaft natin, i-top view ko ha, ang kakainin daw sa shaft mo, ito yung shaft, okay? Ito yung kakainin ng iyong keyway. Yan, kiwi. Kakainin ng kiwi yan. Yan, kiwi. Ito yung kinain ng iyong feed. Okay? So, ang i-consider mo dyan, just the entire length ng feed mo. Huwag mo i-consider yung width ng iyong feed. Don't you consider this one, ha? Huwag to. Ay, i-consider mo ito, yung length. Okay? Paano yan, sir? O, tignan mo, ha? Tandaan mo lang parati ito. Time is equal to yung length ng feed over the length of the rate of the cut. Okay? Yung rate ng cut is the feed times the rotating speed. Okay? Okay, so anong length niyan? Is 2 inches long. So we will have time is 2 inches long over Yung feed, unahin na natin si RPM. 100 RPM. Revolutions per minute. Tapos, meron kang feed rate na 0.05. Inch per tooth. Tapos, meron kang number of teeth. Kailangan makancel to 24 teeth. So, we cancel the same units. Ito. Revolutions per minute. Yun, yaano pa pala. Isang rev. So, 1 rev is 2 pi. 2 pi rad para non-unit. So, 2 over 100 times 2 shift pi times 0.005 times 24. So that is 0.0265 minutes. Okay ba yun? Hello class? Naintindihan ba yan? Don't you use na yung...
Okay po, sir.
Okay. Don't you use na itong yung width ng keyway mo. Ang lagi mo lang gagamitin yung length ng keyway. Okay ba yun?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So number 10. How long will it take in minutes? Lagi na lang time. How long will it take in minutes to saw a rectangular piece of alloy, plate aluminum, 6 inches wide and 2 inches thick if the length of the cut is 6 inches and the power hacksaw makes 110 strokes per minute and the average feed stroke is 0.4 inch. Ang hirap naman. Feed per stroke. Hirap naman ito. Drawing natin, okay? Yung aluminum plate mo. Ang sabi niya, you will cut it 6 inches. Dito siya nag-cut. Ayan o, itong part na to. Ito yung kanyang hinati. Yan. Okay, that is lengthwise. Okay? Dalawa hinati niya. Hinati niya sa dalawa. And then, meron kang stroke na 110 strokes per minute. Feed per stroke, okay. I-consider nyo pa ba itong 2 inches thick? No, don't consider that. Okay? I-consider nyo lang yung the length of the cut. So that is the time, yung length ng cut over yung feed. Okay? Length of the feed times yung N, yung speed. So the length of the cut is 6 inches. 6 inches. Divide natin. Ano ba yun nandyan? Strokes per minute. Feed per stroke. So, 110 stroke per minute times yung feed. 0.04 inch per stroke. Okay? So, makakancel yung stroke, inches. Ang lalabas is in minute, yakyat mo na. Time will be equal to, ang dali-dali lang ng machine shop kapag marunong ka mag-imagine. So, 6 over 110 times 0.004. That is 13.64 minutes. 13.64 minutes. Okay? Malapit na tayo. Ito naman, 11. Calculate the time in seconds to cut a 12 cm wood using hand saw. Kamay-kamay lang. With a cutting rate of millimeter per revolution. And the speed is basic again. So, this is cutting rate. Okay? So, that is the length is 12 cm over yung cutting rate 0.008 mm per rev. May nakita ko hindi para yung unit. Multiply ko na. 10 mm per cm. Over, times ko, 200 revolutions per minute. Okay, so that will be 120 kasi 12 times 10. 10 mm is 1 cm. 0.008 times 200. In minutes, 75 minutes. Okay, ganun lang kadali ang machine shop. Okay, number 12. What would be the sewing time? Sewing time. Time na naman. Laging time lang ang tinatanong dito or the length. In minutes, if a bandsaw with a 200 feet per minute cutting speed, that is B, and used 14 teeth per inch feed per tooth in per inch, and then 0.003 feed per tooth, and the length of the cut is 6 inches. Okay, so nasa baba lahat. So the time will be, tandaan mo 6 inches. 6 inches. Yung length of the cut. Pero ang binigay na V, o pwede na yan, 200 feet per minute. And then meron kang feed per tooth. Length of the cut is 6 inches. 14 teeth per inch. 14 teeth per inch. Meron ka ulit dyan na 0.003. Hindi, 4 pala na 3. 0.3 inches per tooth na feed. Okay, cancel natin to. Ito. Feet, inches. O, di gawin ko na lang tong feet. Okay, masosolve ba natin? Yes, solve na natin. 6 divided by 12, 0.5. 200 times 14 times 0.1230. Okay, that will be ilang minutes? 0.595 minutes. Ganun lang ang machine shop, panay time. Okay? For number 13, a carbon steel having Brinell hardness number of 100 should have ultimate tensile strength closer to. Meron niyang formula, mga kaibigan. Okay? For Brinell hardness. I will share to you the formula na kinuha ko. Brinell hardness, okay? Nakikita niyo pa ba yung screen ko?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wala dito. Wait ah. Let me go back. Okay? So, ganito yan ha. Brinell number is an empirical formula, yung pagkuha sa kanyang tensile strength. We have conditions na if your Brinell hardness number is lower or equal to 175, all you have to do is to multiply it by 3.55 to get the value of your tensile strength in MPa. And likewise, ganun din naman kapag mas mataas siya ng 175 or above 175, all you have to do is to multiply it with 3.38. Okay? Again, what is Brinell hardness number? Yan yung nagpapakita ng material mo if that is brittle, ductile, or very hard. Mas mataas na Brinell hardness number, mas matigas ang material. Okay, class. Trivia, ano ang pinakamatigas na material sa buong mundo? Ano?
Diamond, sir.
Ano?
Diamond, sir.
Diamond. Ano sa more scale siya? Ano siya? Yung Mohs scale pala, Mohs scale. Pang ilan siya? 10, di ba? Ano naman ang pinakamalambot na material sa buong mundo? Nandun din yan. Sige nga. That is talc. Talcum powder. Softest material. Okay? So the answer is 355. MPa. Number 14. Number 14. Determine the time in seconds to sew a rectangular magnesium bar. 5 inches wide and 2 inches thick. If the length of the cut is 5 inches. So ito nga gamitin mo. The power hacksaw does 120 strokes per minute and feed per stroke. Okay? So time will be equal to, after this, pag lalagay ako sa discussions natin ng sample problems you have to answer. Inches wide, 2 inches thick. If the length of the cut is 5 inches ang length of the cut mo, and then 120 strokes per minute times yung stroke natin, feed per stroke. So that is 0.237 mm na feed per stroke. Okay, cancel, inches to, mm to. So i-multiply na lang natin siya ng 25.4 mm per inch. Cancel the same units, cancel, then cancel. Ganun din yung mm. So the time will be 5 times 25.4 divided by 120 times 0.237. In minutes, that is 4.466 minutes. 4.466 minutes. Okay na ba? Okay na? Class, anong natutunan nyo ngayong araw? Hello? As a conclusion and generalization, anong natutunan natin ngayong araw?
Unit analysis, sir.
Unit analysis, di ba? Ganun lang talaga ang way of solving our
Machine shop, sir.
machine shop. Nawala po. Ano yung nawala? Nakikita nyo ba yung aking recording?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sinecheck ko kasi yan eh. Okay, so if you don't have any questions, that will be all for today, and then tune in dun sa inyong discussions tab. I will upload different problems in machine design so you can answer. Machine shop, so you can answer. Okay? That will be all. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Ah.